ShopClima is choice.
On our e-store you'll find thousands of items from the best brands. Air conditioners for residential and commercial applications, heat pump heating solutions, accessories and products for installation and maintenance, and much more, ready for delivery.
ShopClima is convenience.
Present on the market for several years, we at ShopClima are able to guarantee extremely advantageous prices, without sacrificing quality, thanks to the direct relationship with the best manufacturers on the international scene.
ShopClima is quality.
We reserve for our customers only the best air conditioners in terms of design, efficiency, performance and technology.
ShopClima is competence.
The know-how and professionalism gained in these many years of activity have allowed us to become a solid reality in the sector at an international level, highly appreciated by our customers, both private and professional.
ShopClima is assistance.
Our staff, always courteous and highly qualified, is at your disposal to provide you with a pre- and post-sales assistance service. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any doubts or curiosities of a technical, commercial, logistical or administrative nature.
ShopClima is logistics.
A warehouse equipped with the most modern technologies, care and attention to packaging, and consolidated relationships with transporters, allow us to provide a very efficient logistics service.
ShopClima is reliability.
Strict quality policies, modern strategies aimed at customer satisfaction, sale of original products of the highest quality, and fast and certain delivery times, make us really reliable.
ShopClima is ShopClima.